Hello everyone, I am Parth. Welcome back to my channel Me with Mom Season. Friends, today I am going to show you my volcano eruption of science. So let's start. For doing this, we need some vinegar, water, dishwash, baking soda, red food color. First we add some water. And then baking soda, and then mix it. And then we add some dishwash. And then we add some red food color. And then mix it. And finally, we add some vinegar. Wait few minutes. Wow, amazing! This is my volcanic eruption for science project. If you like my video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.